climb this pink that slab with me. So the first part, it's easy. The holds are kind of slopers, but they're good. And then this part can be challenging for shorter climbers, but just have to rock over and slowly stand up and reach. And then the next part, I think, is the crux for everybody. So there's different betas, and this beta is called get your glasses away from your face. So you have to stand up and bring your face into the wall, and then you just have to slowly switch foot. It's blind, so you just have to trust, but it's a big volume, so you can do it. Then when your foot is on the chip, you just have to transition to the other side so the holds become more positive. Then from there, you just stand up and jump to the last hold. I know it's a good hold, so I'll jump it. So I place my feet on the volume to give me extra height, and poop, and then match.